He did the Monster Mash. It was a...
I'm Megan.
I'm Lauren.
And I'm Allie.
And you're watching this week's M-Beat.
Exist screen interview. Bowling. Guinea Mokomo fit checks. Hallway etiquette.
Exist Green interview. Exist Green is a zero-waste, gluten-free, vegan, and organic market in Dundee, Nebraska. Leigh Neary is a Marian alum and a master's graduate of Berkeley in environmental engineering. She spent the first decade of her career cleaning contaminated soil. The store was even featured in Vogue magazine for small businesses in the Midwest to visit. Now over to Lauren, who's with the owner.
What inspired you to start a zero waste market?
As an environmental engineer, my primary responsibilities were cleaning up groundwater and soil contamination from like the 70s and 80s. And instead of fixing problems from the past, I wanted to be more of a solution for the future.
A lot of regular customers who live a zero waste lifestyle.
We do have a few that are very serious about the zero waste lifestyle, and I love learning from them when they come in. One was actually in the paper a couple of times earlier this year about how their neighbors weren't really loving all of the aspects of their zero waste lifestyle, but they're setting a new example on how to live sustainably. But other than that, it's people gradually learning, and I like having people on all sides of the spectrum.
What is the most surprising thing that can be zero waste?
This one I did struggle with an answer because honestly I feel like it's the fact that everything can be zero waste as long as you're willing to like make some sacrifices. Some things that people maybe don't realize are bad for the environment, like floss, you're essentially throwing away microplastic. But we have like a zero waste, refillable, compostable alternative.
So as an all-girls school, we obviously tend to use many products in our everyday routines. Could you show us some alternatives to those like big name makeup brands that use lots of plastic and have like toxic chemicals?
Yeah, so we have like a number of different skincare and beauty products available. We carry the Elate Cosmetics line, which not only prevents you from being exposed to the toxic chemicals, but comes in like these refillable palette type of situations. So like this would be like your foundation, and then you could put like a brow balm. We have a concealer, different colors of eyeshadow. And when you're done, this tin is recyclable, and then you would get your new tin and just be able to pop it back on here.
Thank you so much for doing this. How can people find out more about Exist Green?
Well, you can come visit us during our business hours, 11 to 7, Tuesday through Saturday, or you can search our website, existgreen.com, or we're on Instagram, existgreen, pretty easy to find us, yep.
Remember, go green! Now moving on to sports.
Bowling tryouts.
All right, so bowling tryouts this year are November 16th at Maplewood Lanes at 3:30, so right after school, and it'll go till about 5 o'clock. We had about 45 girls interested in tryouts this year. We keep 12 on the team, so it should be pretty competitive, but it is a lot of fun. We do partner up with Prep, who bowls with us at practices, and they bowl in the competitions with us against the teams that we compete against.
Why should girls try out for the bowling team?
Well, first of all, it's a lot of fun, and you get a chance to compete in an NSAA sport, which is great. You can end up going to state and win a state medal, and it gives you another chance to be involved in the school, which is really important at your time here at Marian.
Do you have any fun stories from last season?
Besides just like kind of team bonding stuff at tournaments and meets, the girls last year also came up with a lot of different chants for each other and different handshakes for when we would start the meets, and they had a lot of fun with that.
Now time to see who has the best bowling demonstration. Hope that made you want to try out for bowling on November 16th at Maplewood Lanes. Now onto some of our favorite Gimme Mokimo fit checks.
Nike,
my leggings are Lululemon, this is my sister's boyfriend's, and these are my sunglasses.
Okay, my shoes are from my mom's closet. They're really ugly, she never wear them. My socks are from my mom. My skirt is from Plato's closet. This is my mom's. This blue thing is mine for my birthday. This is my little brother's, and this is from Lululemon.
This is Lily Pulitzer, No Idea, Lulu, and Nike. This is my dad's. This is my dad's also. I cropped it. This is my mom's, and these are Nike. We got Nike, Costco, Lululemon, Thrifted, and Shein. These are my dad's. This is my little brother's. This is my dad's.
This is Thrifted, Party City, uniform, Party City, soccer.
This is from Spirit Halloween. This is from Tori Schenkelberg. This is from Elliot Kozier. This is from Spirit Halloween. And these are from Maddie.
Dance, my mom, show choir, dance, Lulu.
Guys, so the muscles are all natural. The outfit is Fenty. My boot is from See the Trainer, and my hair is from my mom. Hair is from my grandma, and apron is also from my grandma who owns a bakery. Scrubs are from my mom from the hospital, and this is from a Celtics basketball player who saw me on the sidewalk and gave it to me. This is mine, I made it with my hands, and this is, yeah, my grandma's.
This is custom genetics. This is just my complexion. These are Fenty, Gucci, and Marian M-Beat.
I'm The Rock, and this shirt's from Urban, these jeans are from Urban, this belt is from Urban, these shoes are from Nike.
I'm the Lorax, Walmart, face paint and mustache from Nobby's.
I'm the Onceler, Spirit, Walmart, Nobby's, Target, Docs, I don't know.
I'm Ted, the shirt's from Goodwill, this is a Marian sweatshirt, and these jeans are from American Eagle.
Hallway etiquette. Don't stop in the middle of the hallway. Remember, everyone in the school is moving at once. Don't walk directly in the middle of the staircase. Try walking on the right to allow room for those going up and those going down. Don't walk in large groups. Walk towards the right and 1 to 2 people wide.